guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be attempting to do something that I've never done before, and that's body work. If you look closely, you could tell that my fenders and my quarter panels are pretty beat up from the tight fitment, and it's been bothering me for a while. I've just kind of been pushing it off, but I finally decided to just jump into it and try to get my fenders fixed. I've never done body work or anything like that before, so this is going to be like a learning process for me. I honestly have no clue what I'm going to be doing, but I'm just going to try to wing it and get them cleaned up before I wrap the car. We'll see how it turns out, but let's get right to it. So I'm going to start off with pulling the fenders a little bit more. I kind of want the whole fender to match this pull that happened from the tire itself. So I'm going to attempt to pull this a little bit more, and then same thing on this side, and then sand it all out and make it smooth. Here's what the pull looks like. So before I just had this area pulled. So I pulled a little bit more right here and right there. So it looks like it's a pretty even pull now. Not sure if I pulled enough, but I think it'll do for now. I'm just trying to finish sanding this little section right here. It's already pretty smooth. I got the paint chips off, but I need to sand a little more of it, and then we'll move on to the next fender. Alright, so I just finished pulling and rolling this side a little bit more so it's not as dented as it was, and now I'm just going to sand it all and make it as smooth as I can before I move on to the other side. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this side. There was a few little dents here that I couldn't get out. I'm not sure if I'll be able to tap them out or if I'm just gonna have to use some body filler, but it looks a lot better than it did before. So on to the next side. Driver's side fender is done. Wasn't too bad. I ended up just pulling it a little bit and then sanding all the cracks in the paint. Looks pretty smooth. Now moving on to the rear. This one's pretty bad. This quarter panel has a bunch of little cracks and a bunch of little bumps right here, and apparently that was from them rolling the quarter panel and they didn't clean the inside of it, so that's what caused that. So now I'm just gonna have to try to smoothen that out and then also pull it a little bit because it's bent in from the wheel hitting the quarter panel. Alright, rear quarter panel is done. I just sanded it down for now, but I'm still going to have to apply some body filler because there are some dings. Next is the rear bumper. There's a lot of deep scratches like this all over this area, so I'm going to have to sand that down before I apply the body filler. Alright, so I ended up just sanding all four corners, and then I went to my uncle's body shop to apply the body filler, and looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Here's how it turned out. So this is the second layer of body filler on the fenders. I'm just waiting for it to dry, and I'll continue tomorrow. Just got to sand it all off. This is the rear. Looks pretty smooth. Started sanding the rear bumper and all the imperfections. This quarter panel looks pretty good, and then the front fender looks pretty smooth. So just wait for it to dry up, and then I'll sand it all tomorrow and then apply a little more. Alright, so it's the next day and I'm pretty much done sanding all four corners. Everything is smooth and ready for primer. But before we spray the primer, I need to take off the bumpers and sand them down and make sure that everything is smooth and there aren't any deep scratches. So that's the plan for today. I'm going to take the bumpers off, sand them down, and then hopefully tomorrow I'll go to the shop and get everything sprayed with primer. So I got the front clip off and just start sanding everything down. So let's do it. Alright, so front bumper is all sanded and smooth. I think it's ready for the primer. Tomorrow we're just going to head to the shop and get all 4 corners sprayed with the primer, and then I'm also going to have to sand the rear bumper really quickly. I don't think it should be too hard. I'm just going to have to drop the diffuser and sand it down. But yeah, that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Alright, so I just got to the shop and it's starting to rain, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. But I just did a few little finishing touches. And hopefully we can spray the primer today. Alright, so we're finally home. The car is looking as ugly as it's ever been, but that's not gonna be like that for too much longer. Now I just need to sand down the primer a little bit with 320 and then 600. And then that should be it. We should be good to go for the wrap. The wrap actually showed up today. There it is. So now I'm just waiting on a few of the tools to show up before we could start the whole wrap process. But let me just show you guys real quick what the fenders look like. So it's looking kind of rough right now because it needs to be sanded, but it's not in the best shape because I did the bodywork and it was my first time ever. So it's still not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was from the start. Front bumper needs to be sanded as well. This fender looks kind of good, I guess. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like after I sand it. Quarter panels actually turned out pretty good. Alright, so everything is done. I went over the whole car and the bumper with 600 just to make sure everything was smooth. Didn't have any bumps or anything like that, so that'll pretty much be it for this process. Here's what the fenders look like. They actually turned out pretty good. So this is pretty much what I was going for. You kind of have the original fender look right here, and then it just flares out and then goes back to how it is in the beginning. That way I could still turn and not rub the fender. Rear quarter panels turned out really smooth. This one was very beat up, had all the bumps from the fender roll. Now everything is smooth, looks good. Rear bumper's perfect. This is a quarter panel that was bent in from the wheel hitting it, so it's really smooth now, everything is fixed. Passenger fender looks great as well. So the next step is washing the whole car, making sure it's spotless, doesn't have any dust. Kind of degreasing it, I guess. I don't know, making it as clean as I can. And then we could start on the wrap, but that'll be in the next video, so catch you guys then. Thanks for watching.